millions of Americans will be affected by the new federal vaccine mandate that includes people and businesses in the Midstate. Jeremiah Marshall joins us now live in the studio with more on this story. Jeremiah.
Yeah, President Biden's plan calls for employers with more than 100 workers to be vaccinated against the coronavirus or get tested weekly. Folks we spoke to say they had mixed feelings. Lacey Lab says she can see both sides, the need for folks to cooperate in doing their part and preventing the spread of COVID, but also folks holding on to their liberties.
We have to prioritize the health of the nation, and I think that's an individual thing that we should choose.
Ryan Unger, president and CEO of the Harrisburg Regional Chamber and Credit, says there are many questions that come into play with Biden's new vaccine mandate for area businesses.
So how can our businesses acquire more tests? How will the mandate be enforced? When will it be enforced? Who will it be applied to? These are all questions that we're seeking.
Unger says finding answers are crucial for local businesses.
Right now, when I talk to businesses, what they want is clarity and predictability. And we will continue to seek to find ways to provide that clarity on what we're hearing from Washington.
I think it's beneficial to have everybody vaccinated. It spreads throughout the society. It doesn't pick, individuals.
Yet some across the Midstate agree with Biden's new vaccine mandate.
Glad Biden has decided to promote vaccination.
Others not so much.
I don't think the vaccine mandate is fair.
And say things still need to be ironed out along with more research before making a decision like vaccination mandates.
I feel like pretty much it's a control thing happening, and if you pay attention to what's going on, you'll see it clearly.
I think in the end, we really want to make sure our employers have as much information and as many resources as possible so that prospective employees aren't hindered.
And President Biden's new plan also requires all federal workers and government contractor workers to get vaccinated and extends to hospital and home health care workers facilities receiving federal funding. In studio, Jeremiah Marshall, ABC 27 News.